Being arrested on DUI charges is not only serious but can be extremely stressful, upsetting, and humiliating. There is really no such thing as a basic or minor DUI offense under today's strict laws. Simply giving in and pleading guilty is a decision that many people later regret. A DUI conviction can have far-reaching effects, not only financially, but on your family and even your career. As soon as you've been arrested, it's in your best interest to contact an experienced and dedicated DUI attorney. You will be able to get the counsel you need to ensure that you do everything you can to protect your rights and freedom. You have a legal right to speak with an attorney, and it's in your best interest to quickly exercise that right. If you decide to hire a DUI attorney, keep in mind that even if an attorney works in criminal defense, they are not necessarily qualified to handle a DUI defense case. We have the skills, experience, and commitment you need. From the moment you meet with us, you'll have a vigorous advocate who understands what you're going through, knows the law, and will guide you through the complex maze of choices and decisions you'll need to consider. Call today.